In this video, I'll show you how to cancel A&E subscription on Roku. Step 1. Go to the Roku home screen. Press the home button on your Roku remote to access the main screen. Step 2. Highlight the A&E channel. Using the arrow keys, highlight the A&E app icon but do not open it. Step 3. Open channel options. Press the star or asterisk button on your Roku remote to open the options menu. Step 4. Select Manage Subscription. From the options menu, select Manage Subscription to view details. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Choose Cancel subscription and confirm the cancellation when prompted. Step 6. You can also cancel via the Roku website. Log in at my.roku.com, then go to Manage your subscriptions under Account Settings. Find A&E in the list and click Unsubscribe to cancel. Step 7. Check your billing source. If you don't see Manage Subscription, you may have purchased through Apple, Amazon, Comcast or another partner. If that is the case, you need to cancel through that provider instead of through Roku. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Canceling stops renewal but does not remove the app from your Roku device, so if you want to remove the app from your Roku device, you will have to delete it separately. You will have access until the end of your current billing period. Keep confirmation emails for your records. And that is how you cancel your A&E subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.